Hello everyone, we're back on Planet PPI for another episode of Let's Talk About. This week we're discussing request to pay and e-billing. It's undeniable, digitalisation is becoming part of every aspect of our daily lives, and business processes are no exception. Considering the digitalisation of the economy and society, the current billing process is clearly lagging behind. Since payments are largely digitalised, why not go one step further and digitalise the invoicing process as well? Today we're looking at how implementing request to pay into e-billing brings the entire electronic payment process full circle. E-billing and request to pay used together will expand the service portfolio of financial institutions, strengthening their role as intermediaries. They enable an even closer intertwining of bank and corporate customer and offer a tangible added value to private customers as well. Even in 2021, most invoices are still presented to the recipient on paper. They are transferred by the post or by fax or an electronic channel such as email. The physical invoice delivery is not only lengthy but also expensive for both sender and recipient. Let's look at a concrete example to see just how expensive this process can be. In Europe, sending a paper invoice costs between 11 and 17 euros, depending on the country. Using e-billing will significantly lower the cost, so you can only imagine how much this saves companies sending thousands of invoices. Not only does automated e-billing save money for companies and individuals, it helps combat tax evasion and money laundering. For the most part, companies are keen to move their invoicing online. However, the main hesitation for companies is that EDI, electronic data interchange systems, are expensive to set up and so only worthwhile for huge companies. Request to Pay provides an alternative, more intuitive system to help companies of all sizes across Europe. This initiative is emerging globally and will revolutionise the way companies interact with their clients. The combination between request to pay and e-billing allows companies to streamline the entire accounting process, from ordering up until cash collection, making reconciliation smoother and faster. Once the invoicing is digitised, companies can use the data to offer their customers value-added services that help to establish customer loyalty. Let's look at an example in action. Imagine a retailer who has tens of thousands of invoices to process. They are already using a digital invoicing system since they need to process bulk payments. We'll look at this further in another episode, and can save time and money this way. They add a request to pay message to their invoices. They are now able to see all the information related to the transaction in one place: the order number, the invoice, the payment details, etc. The process is streamlined as the information can be tracked all the way from the initial order to the final payment. The introduction of the request to pay standard will benefit all the economic players. Companies can significantly streamline their entire billing processes, customers can pay conveniently and securely, and financial service providers can strengthen their customer loyalty. If you want to find out more about request to pay and how it could be implemented in your business, get in touch with our expert consultants via the PPI France website. Our third white paper on request to pay is coming soon, so stay tuned. Join me next time, where we'll be looking at the controversial European retail payment strategy.